Hi there, everyone. Welcome to episode 576 of the Mike from Maine show, the place where we do daily interviews with successful online entrepreneurs. This is your host, Mike Thomas, and today on the show we have Karthik Ramani on, and we're going to be talking about his piece of software that you can use along with your videos to get more opt-ins, more clicks on your links, and more interaction on the social media. Also, you can embed it on your website, on Facebook, on mobile. Really cool software. I think you're going to enjoy it. Let's get into it. Here's Karthik. We are here today with Karthik Ramani. Karthik, welcome back to the show.
Hey Mike, nice to be back here again. It's been quite some time.
It's been too long. Karthik and I were talking about that before we started hitting the record button. He's usually on the show once a month, but he's been working on a new project and taking quite a bit of time to get that completed, which we're going to be talking about today. But for people out there that might have missed some of your previous episodes, just tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do.
I'm a product creator right now. I go and create products that I use myself, products that for which I have a need. So I go out and do a lot of marketing, the offline marketing, and I run Facebook ads to CPA offers. I promote affiliate offers. So for all of these, I use videos. So this product is created out of the problems that I have faced while doing the promotions for these.
Yeah, and what I like about what you're saying there is you create products based upon your personal needs. So if you find out that you need something for your business and it doesn't exist on the market, you're a software designer. So you just go out there and you work your magic. You figure out a way of solving that problem. And if you have that problem, there's a big likelihood that other people are going to have that problem as well. And why not take the software and sell it to other people and make some money back?
Yeah, definitely. I'm a developer and I have a in-house team of developers. As you rightly said, if I'm facing difficulties with these kind of pages, then it's definitely going to be difficult for people who are just starting out or who are just hanging in there trying to learn out new things. So we wanted to make it as simple as we can, and when I show you the demo of this, you will find out that it's like really simple. You don't even need the tutorials.
The software we're going to talk about today, it's called Social Mobi Videos. It says here on the sales page, revolutionary new video software creates amazing interactive videos with live opt-in forms and buttons for web, Facebook, and mobile. Nothing to download or install. This is interesting for me, Karthik, because I've seen lately on the market a bunch of other software that's come out that has done kind of similar stuff to this, but I know this has some unique stuff to it as well. So why don't you just tell us a little bit about it, and then we can hop in and go through a demo.
All right. So as I told you, I was like promoting different products using videos, and if you can see, 2014 was a big trend for videos. A lot of video products came out, which helps our customers create videos quickly. Now, when the next step would be promoting those videos. So you can promote the videos. You can, the simplest and cheapest form of hosting a video would be right within YouTube, right? So when you have it in YouTube, you have the YouTube branding, and there are times that your competitors' ads shows up. So you have all of these problems. And when you have a video hosted within YouTube, you cannot have interactions within the YouTube player because the player is hosted by YouTube. So what we did in the software was we created a new video player wherein you can embed the YouTube videos right into this video player, and it's going to play the YouTube video in this player with a lot more interactions.
And you're going to have a lot more control over the content, and instead of being at the whim of YouTube and having people being able to click out and go over to other videos and leave your content, you're going to have it all inside there. Let's take a look inside.
Sure. Hold on for a second, let me share my screen. Let me know when you can see it.
coming.
What?
Yes, we got it.
Okay. So this is a web-based software, and I'm just going to log into the members area. So you don't have to do anything. You just come to this specific URL, socialmobivideos/members, and you're right inside the members area. So once you're in the members area, we've tried to keep this interface very simple, like our previous products, so that there is like not a steep learning curve to do this. Anybody can just come in, click on create a new campaign. And we have a lot of templates. The video player, as I told you, the main difference between our video players and other video players out there in the market is our video players comes along with templates. If you want a standalone video player, you can have that as well. So we have both the options.
Well, so you can have just like a basic skin if you want to, or you can have more of the bells and whistles of the other template.
Right, yes. I'm just gonna go and create a new template.
And so this is working right now, this is on your server, by the way. This isn't something that someone has to install on their own website. This is on your server?
Yeah, it's everything. We host the player, everything on our server. You just have to put in your YouTube video URL here.
Cool.
So I'm just gonna go to YouTube and pick up a quick URL.
Hey, it's me.
Yes. So you don't even need the embed code. You just copy the URL at the top. You paste the URL here and click on load video. So we now have your video right within our layer. The next step would be the look and feel of the player. This is the look and feel of the background. You have the background color and then the look and feel of the player color.
Cool.
The next step would be...
Do you have to make me pink?
No.
Can I have like a blue color or something? I kind of like, or blackish. That's nice. I like that. Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right. So once you change, and everything that text here is click on it. So let's take a scenario wherein you're promoting an affiliate offer. So the product's headline would come here. Let's say social Mobi videos early bird. Check out the video for the timings. So you have everything. Now that when you promote a video, you would also want to see the number of people who are interested in your video. You would want to segment those people. You would want those people added to your autoresponder. You would want to add those people to your webinar. So everything is possible with the player. I'm just going to show you. And also, now that you have a show, Mike from Maine, which you've branded really well, so you can have your, rather than having the logo as a part of video, you can have the logo as a part of the player. You can just click on upload branding image and have your logo. You can select the position where you want the logo, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right.
Well, that's pretty cool. Also, so I can upload any, of course, I would upload my logo there. Just grab an image and just put it right into the software.
Right. Also, we have the opacity for the logo, so you make sure that the logo suits with your the video background. The next step would be the player controls. So there are like different uses of it. If you've seen some pages, some sales page, they wouldn't allow you to go towards the end of the video because they want to force the users watch the video. So we have that as well. So say for example, the interview might be 1 hour, but people will not have time. But the main content of the interview would be from the 40th minute. So you would want to force your subscribers to watch this video. So in those kind of situations, you can hide the time bar. So they don't know how much time the video is going to be. Then once they start seeing the video and once they feel the value for the content, then they're not going to mind about the time. So in those cases, you can use the time bar, and when you embed it in a page, you can autoplay it. You can enable full screen mode, or you can just disable that. You can have a center play button. The next step would be the social share settings. Now that you have a video, when somebody watches your video, you would want them to like so that it spreads widely. A lot of people are not doing that, so we have that as well.
Does that tweet and share, if you had this embedded on a WordPress website, Karthik, would that like the YouTube video, or would that like the actual page that it's embedded on, or would it like the social Mobi link? Like, what's that liking?
It would like, when you share it, it would like the page where it is embedded right now.
Okay, it would like the page that it's enabled on, that it's embedded on.
Right.
Okay, cool.
The next, again, everything here is click and edit, you can do that. The next step would be the call to action. If you want to have call to action. So let's say you want to have a splash page at the start saying, watch the video for coupon code. Waiting inside. Watch the video. Then you can have animations for these buttons.
You can get grab people's attention.
Right. So we have a lot of animations. So whichever suits you, you can do that, and you can enable skip. So here maybe at the 10th second, or if you want to have the splash appear, at any time you want within this video, you can do that. So you can just link it to an external URL, which can be your affiliate link. Or buy the early bird. Anything you feel, get the early bird.
Sure. So you could have it at the beginning of the video and say, click here to check it out, to skip the video and check out the offer now, or you could have it at the end of the video as a call to action, telling them to go and take a look at it. Or is it only at the beginning, or can you put it any time?
You can show it at the beginning. Let's say you want to have this video at the 10th second. You can do it.
Okay.
So people already know that you recommend good products, so they directly want to go and buy it. So you don't want them to watch the whole video. You can just have your link in there at whatever time you want.
Cool.
The next step would be the form settings. If you enable the form setting, you can have have it at a particular at the beginning, or at a particular time, or at the end. Let's say at a particular time. Let's set it at the 15th second right now. So if this is a way to build your email address from your videos, which is not possible with YouTube.
Nice. You can be like, do you like this? Do you like this review? Do you like this video? Opt in to make sure that you don't miss another one. Something like that.
Yes.
Cool.
You have that, and again, you can change the video overlay color. Once you have everything done, you just hit on save. The next step would be publishing the campaign. So once you publish, you get the direct URL. So if you just want to quickly send out an email, you can just take this URL, put it in put it in your email, or start driving traffic to it. All right, so let me click on play. So this video.
All right, and we're live. Everyone, Brad Scott here with Video Profits Per.
So we had set up a splash page at the 10-second, and we've linked it to Google. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to Google. So you can set it up to any affiliate link, CPA offers, or any offers that you have. I'm just going to click on here. It's going to open a new tab, Google. So you can just.
And I'm here with Mike Thomas.
And now we are in the 12-second. If you see in the 15-second, we have set up an opt-in. So let's continue playing and see how the opt-in works.
From the Mike from Maine show, it's Mike from.
All right, so you have the opt-in form as well. So you have to opt in here.
From Maine.com.
So this is a way wherein right within the videos, you can start building your email list.
Cool, and you can make that opt-in, you can make that optional, or you can even make it mandatory, correct?
Right.
Nice.
So once you install it on Facebook, you get a different URL. I'm just going to install it on Facebook.
Okay, so that one was separate to Facebook. That's a separate link. Now you're going to actually put it inside of Facebook.
Yes. You just select, we have like 15 tabs in every single fan page. So you just click on Install tab. You don't need anything. You don't need, you can just directly connect with your Facebook account. You don't need SSL certificates. You don't need to set up a Facebook API key. I'm just going to choose a fan page. Click on Add Fan Page. Now you get the short URL. So when somebody loads this URL from their mobile phone, the mobile version will be loaded. When they load it from Facebook, the Facebook version would be loaded. Let me just copy this URL. I'm just going to paste it here.
So that's going to work on both. This is going to work on both mobile devices and on normal Facebook like this.
Yes.
Cool.
So I can just hit on play and the video will start playing.
Nice.
All right, and we're live. Everyone, Brad Scott.
Cool, man. Okay, so it's going to work. You've got the individual link, you've got that Facebook option, and I can also put this on my website as well, right?
Yes, so to put it on your website, you just click on embed button, then you select what size of the player you want, and then you get the iframe embed code, which you can link it to any web page.
And there's a pop-up option?
Yes, you can have this video as a pop-up, and you can have this as a pop-up when the page gets loaded or when they click on something.
So that's show pop-up on click. So if they click on something on a page, it will show?
Yes. So you can like create a button wherein watch video. Then you change the button color based on the page. Then you copy this and put it in any page. You get this button. So when somebody clicks on this button in the page, this loads up in the page.
So I can put that on my own website. Can I give that to other people to put on their websites as well? Like, can I put it all around the internet, or do I have to have stuff installed on my website to be able to do that?
No, there is no restrictions. As long as anybody who has this embed code, you can embed it in like unlimited number of websites.
Cool, okay, nice.
And also we have another option wherein we have a WordPress plugin. So if you have a WordPress, you can just download the plugin here, and we have an API key. So once you put your API key into your WordPress, all the campaigns that you create in this interface is available for embedding directly into your WordPress as well.
What would be the advantage of having that on your WordPress website as opposed to using it from here?
You don't have to log in here to get the embed code. Right from your WordPress, you can get all the integration code.
Can you create them inside of WordPress as well, or do you have to create them inside of Social Mobi videos?
No, you create. This is the centralized dashboard wherein you create the campaigns. So for embedding all the campaigns which is active here would be available in the WordPress for embedding.
But you don't need to have a WordPress website to use this. I think that's a big
one. Directly, you can just click on embed code. You don't need a WordPress. Even in your WordPress, without installing the plugin, you can just put it in any page. It should work.
Cool. What about autoresponders, Karthik? I know there's people that are using different Aweber response, SendReach, all kinds of different ones out there.
So we have integrations with every major autoresponder. So you click on, once you create the campaign, you click on the autoresponder. Then we have direct API integrations with Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, and SendReach. Say I've already integrated my account with Aweber, so I just select Aweber. Then what happens is all the list in my Aweber gets populated automatically. So you don't even have to put in the form code. You just select which list this campaign should go.
That's convenient. And there's also webinar integration?
Yes. Also, for option, you can just sign them up to your GoToWebinar. So once you select GoToWebinar, all the webinars in your GoToWebinar account would come in this dropdown.
Can you make it so that do you have to choose whether they sign up for a webinar or a list, or can you have it so that they sign up for both a webinar and an email list?
So it is optional. You can either sign up for the webinar, you can just sign up for the GoToWebinar, or you can just sign up for the autoresponder, or both. We have all the options. It's up to them to decide.
Up to them. And what are the options for autoresponders?
Aweber, email access, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, MailChimp, One Shopping Cart, Pure Leverage, SendReach. Even if your autoresponder is not listed here, no problem. You just select others and put in your firm code and hit on save, and we will send the leads to your autoresponder.
And I'm wondering if, I know a lot of times with GetResponse, you have to get them to approve an API connection between stuff like this to make it single opt-in. I'm wondering if you can just put in the form, HTML form code there, and make it so that they automatically just are opted in.
Yes, you can. If your list is single opt-in, you can just put in the form and we would send it. Or if you select it from here, if you just put in your GetResponse API key, all the GetResponse list would come in here. So you can add it directly via this way as well.
Nice, cool, okay, nice.
Then we are also storing all the subscribers here. So at a later date, if you want to export and send it to another autoresponder, we're just storing along with the IP address.
So you can see where they're from, and you can have if they put in a name. I guess you guys you're not asking for the name in the form. You're just asking for the email. Is that right?
Yes.
Cool.
And we also have a split testing feature wherein instead of single campaign, you can split test multiple campaigns and see which campaign is performing better. So 50% of the visitors would go to this campaign and 50% to a different campaign, and based on which campaign gets more opt-in or whatever goal that you decide, like number of plays, number of hours watched. Based on that, then when you scale up your traffic, you can just send traffic to the campaign that converts better.
Awesome. And there's also statistics?
Yes. So for each campaign, how many impressions, visitors, number of plays, number of users subscribed, so you get all the information.
Very cool. And there's tutorials down there. It doesn't look like it's that difficult to set up from what you've shown us today.
Right. Yes. And also we have a managed client feature as well for people who get the developer's license. Wherein if they want to use social Mobi videos for their offline business, they can use this option and set up their account, and your customers will never know that you're using social Mobi videos to create those campaigns. So we have that in a separate unbranded domain.
Okay, cool. So everything that we've seen so far, I think except for that right there, everything that we've seen so far, is that included in the basic version? Like let's talk about what you get in the basic version and in the OTOs. Okay,
so if you can see my screen, for the basic version, you get 15 templates, you get 3 skins, you get the WordPress plugin, you can embed, you get the normal embed, and you can install in like 25 different fan pages. All these features just comes with the basic version.
And that normal embed, what do you mean by normal embed?
You cannot embed it as a pop-up or on-click. That's about the pro version.
Okay, but you can embed it on. You can just put it on a website, and you could just embed it normally, like
normal embed. Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Then the basic version, we have a special early bird from 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 12 noon on the 26th. So if you purchase within this 3 hours, you get it for $27. Mm-hmm. If you purchase after this, you get it for like $37.
Okay.
Then you have the Pro version. In Pro version, inclusive of the basic version, you get like 45 templates. Apart from the 3 skins, you get like 5 extra skins. So that would be like 8 skins. You get the WordPress plugin. You have the developer's license, so you can add your clients. You get split testing, and you have all these Flash images as a part of the upgrade. And you can embed it as a pop-up. You can integrate GoToWebinar. You can install. There is like no limit on the number of fan pages. Unlimited fan pages. You get extra call to action. So all this is a part of the upgrade.
Okay, so the big things I'm seeing there is you can add clients to it. You can do the split testing. You can do the webinar. If you're doing webinars, you can add that in there. I mean, there's lots of extras in there. But of course, some people might just want the basic version. For people that want these extra features, they can grab the OTO.
Right.
Okay.
So after this, we have a white label for people who wants to resell it as their own. So the white label license for reselling 50 licenses, you get it for like $147. The 100 license, the agency rights, you get it for $197. And to resell 500 licenses of social Mobi videos, you get it for like $297.
So that means you can go out there like with the client, with adding the clients thing in with the first OTO. What's the difference between that and the white label?
So when you add a client, you go and speak with the client and you set up access for them. They'll not be able to create new campaigns. You create campaigns for them. But wherein in a white label, you sell the whole software as their own. You don't offer them any service. You just sell licenses to the software. So you just put up a sales page, and even for 50 licenses, if you sell it for like $10 a month, it would be like $500 a month.
Cool. Okay, so you can sell it like it's your software, pretty much.
Right. Yes.
And do I have to do the support, or do you guys do the support for it? If a problem comes up, what do I do then?
So you would have your own. I mean, in the white label interface, we give an option to set up your own logo, your support URL or support email. So when you get a support from your customers, most of the support would be like basic instructions which you would have to help. In case of any technical issues, you just raise a ticket with us and we'll take care of it.
Cool. Okay. So if there's like some technical issue that I have no idea how to fix, I can be like, Karthik, this isn't working. Can you please fix this? And you'll take a look at it.
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. So from what I've seen so far, Karthik, I'm thinking about the kind of people that this would be really useful for. And I mean, of course, affiliate marketers like myself. I mean, it just makes sense to have a way of going out there and adding new leads in, and being able to have more clicks on my links. More clicks and more leads is going to mean more traffic and more money for there. What are some other ways, and what's the fastest way that someone can use this to make a little bit of money?
Yeah, affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, video marketers, and Facebook marketers. Anybody who has anything to sell online, they can use it. It works across any niche because, as I told you, video is like going to be video is the highlight of 2014, and it's going to go on for this year as well, because content marketing through videos have become really popular. All the good content videos gets virally spread, and you get a lot of traffic from that. So anybody who has anything to do selling a product online, they can use the software. List building.
Cool. Yeah, and anyone that's interested, I can see the white label versions not being for everyone, but for anyone out there that wants to have their own product that they can sell to someone and make money from it, I mean, that's a way that you could make money as well. You could simply, without having to build any software, you buy the rights to it, and then you just resell it.
Yes.
Cool. Okay, well, Karthik, thank you so much for coming on today and giving us a nice demo of this. Is there anything that we missed, anything that you wanted to mention before we finish up?
I think in terms of feature-wise, we've covered everything. So this year, I mean, as I told you again and again, video is going to be really big. So there are like a lot of tools out there using which you can quickly create videos. Even if you go to YouTube and search, right from buying a new product, checking into a hotel, or even unboxing an iPhone, for everything there are videos. So there are like lots of ways you can monetize things which you're passionate about, and I think there are like a lot of opportunities. So if you start taking action with anything that you're interested in or you're comfortable with, then you're definitely gonna become successful. Take action.
There's a woman that's making like $6 million a year or something, unboxing Disney characters on video. Like it's ridiculous, the possibilities of doing it. And if you're sending people directly to YouTube, you're actually sending them free traffic, and you're not building an asset, because one day YouTube could take away your channel, they could restrict you. With this, you can be building an asset, building an email list, and make money at the same time. Karthik, again, thank you so much for coming on, and best of luck with your launch.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed the interview today with Karthik. If you are interested in picking up Social Mobi videos, you're going to want to come back tomorrow. The official launch time is 11 a.m. Eastern, but there's going to be an early bird discount starting at 9 a.m. and you're going to be able to get a $10 off discount if you purchase it during that time. Also, above this interview, you're going to see a link where you can sign up for a pre-launch webinar and win a chance to get a free copy of Social Mobi videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.